What's up guys? Welcome back again to my TechTube channel, and for today's video mag-unbox tayo nitong Atom Duo speaker. And let's see kung worth it nga ba siya. So, tara na! So, ito na guys yung ating Atom speaker. Meron siyang logo dito. At sa ilalim niya, meron siyang nice soft rubber, the micro USB port, power button, and the area where you will align it to the wireless charging dock. So, paano nga ba siya i-turn on? To turn it on, press the power button until it lights up, and same as it turning it off. So guys, dito naman tayo kung paano natin siya mapaplay ng sabay. Just turn on both the speaker. Press the power button twice for the other speaker at intayin mo lang na meron kang marinig na tunog or na nag-pair na sila. And after that, connect mo na siya sa iyong smartphone or kung saan mo siya gagamitin. And now guys, for the sound quality, ito siya. Power button niya guys, pwede siyang play and pause. And for the other features guys, you can use this as a camera shutter button. And pwede rin siyang mag-answer ng call dahil may built-in microphone na siya. And lastly guys, take note lang na kapag manonood kayo ng video or ng Netflix, use it as si solo mode rather than duo mode dahil nga nagkakaroon siya ng latency or ng delay dun sa kanyang audio. Overall guys, this Atom speaker is perfect for rooms, traveling, or even hanging out with your friends. You can have a great audio experience from this speaker, and it lasts up to 4 hours of usage. So, if you like this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.